Guys, look, guys. I made I made just this. I made this. This is not a mod. Just look, guys. Just look. That is not ano. I just created that, not this, but in that. Just go in this section and fill up cake, 3 cake, and 3 tea box, cake, metal rod, and cake. Look, it will transform into this. Look, that. Oh my god. Look, happy birthday to you. Up there. Hey. I'm experimental. Are you dead? Do it. Guys, that is not a mod. I have only this Freddy Fazbear. But this I created. Huh? Let me create more. There's a lot of blood in this. So guys, watch more until the end. Okay? On Melon Sandbox. Let's go. This melon and blue sword. Let's make it explosive. Bro,